All right. The triangle sum theorem states that the sum of all the angle measures in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So let's say, for instance, we have this triangle here. This question mark, I'm just going to call this question mark X. And then we have this angle measurement is 85 and this angle measurement is 35. So we don't know what this angle measurement is going to be. So if I take the angle measure of X, which is unknown, I add 85 and I add 35. They all should equal 180 degrees. Now, I'm going to do a couple of steps, and I'm going to add these two together. We're going to solve for X. So 85 plus 35 is 120. So I'm going to bring down the X and 120, and it's going to be equal to 180. If I subtract 120 from both sides, that's going to leave us with X is equal to 60. So the missing angle for this triangle is equal to 60 degrees.